Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com. She's yawning. We're about to work out. This is the kind of workout partner crap I've got to deal with. I'm here trying to hustle, and she's over here. Look at that mouth, wide open. Yawning. Let's get after it. Oh, by the way, we're doing chest and shoulders today.
Everywhere. By the way, we're doing this.
Alright, ladies and gents, we just got done working out, and I've been working on editing yesterday's Keto Savage Kitchen episode. Crystal and I are headed to town to do a couple different things, one of which is to pick up more ingredients from my uncle's warehouse, and lots of other things as well. So we're taking you along for the ride. Alright, y'all, we are looking at some miniature houses, some tiny homes. What do you think, Crystal? No words, no words. Check these things out. Little bitty tiny homes. They look a lot like mobile homes, but I don't think they're mobile homes. I mean, they are mobile, they're on a trailer, but they're tiny homes. And we're just looking at these because we're curious. We drive right by them every day and we see them and they look cute. So we're going to check out how cute they are on the inside. But I'm not bringing the camera because it's raining outside. Alright, y'all, so we went by my uncle's warehouse, picked up 2 pallets of ingredients. Now we're at Home Depot. Home Depot. And it's still raining like crazy. Alright, y'all. What are you laughing at, babe? Alright, so we're at Home Depot. I'm gonna get some more of these racks here. So we're gonna get 2 more racks to put them in. This one's all busted. So I'm not gonna put that one in. But I'm gonna get 2 more coming to me. We're gonna put that in the warehouse. Why are you making fun of me so much? Why are you making fun of me so much?
Because it's fun.
We decided to get 3 instead of 2.
Well, we got a nice full van, 3 racks, 2 pallets, bam.
Alright, y'all, we got the grill going out here, or it's getting going. So we're gonna kind of get that beast rolling. And we're gonna have a little shindig tonight. The crew's coming over here. We don't normally work on Fridays. We're working on Fridays. The crew doesn't normally come in on Fridays, but we're gonna have them all come in. We're gonna do a little cookout. All right, y'all, we have got construction going on in here. We got We got some bricks we're shipping out. We got some boxes we've unloaded. We got a whole bunch of ingredients. We're putting up more racks. So we're gonna have racks on racks on racks. It's getting crazy in here, y'all. Getting crazy. All right, y'all, check this out. We got the 3 racks up on that side. We got 3 racks up on that side. Ingredients are on point. Check this out right here. We got Crystal modeling the Keto Savage shirt. But that's not all. Check out the leggings. Boom, Keto Savage leggings. You feeling it?
So feeling it.
So we're supposed to be having a work cookout, but Robert is too busy working.
What?
Why are you always working, Robert?
I love it. I love it.
We're supposed to be hanging out, and you're too busy putting in work every day.
Yeah, put in work. I didn't put in work. Yeah.
Like going through redesign and everything on an off day. Corey came up here to get some extra money.
Look at that.
Working hard.
All right, y'all. So we're doing like our powwow cookout right now with the crew since, I don't know, today just worked out for everybody. So we got the whole crew here. We got everybody here, right? Everybody's here? Everybody's here. We're having some card game over here by Bryson.
Oh, come on.
Some card tricks. We got some Zevia. We have, what else? We got some pork rinds, some dip, and that's pretty much it. Corey was just talking about his honey-do list over here. I drew that out for him this morning. Drew a picture of him and everything. The legs are to scale. Alright, y'all, so we're about to do some cooking. Corey's in here working out. Get it, bro! Woo, look at that. Let me show you what we got going on over here. We got working out. We got some cooking. Beautiful. Love it. We got some bacon going. Got the sous vide going. Shout out to Watchman Stoves for hooking me up with this little griddle attachment. I love it. Alright, there's our pork chops and some steaks. Gotta love it. An air fryer. So Bryson's got a card trick that everybody's raving about. Everybody's seeing it except me.
Alright.
So let's see what we got.
Alright, check it out. So just pick a card, any card.
Pick a card, any card.
Any card you'd like.
Let's go with the Queen of Diamonds.
So the Queen of Diamonds.
Okay.
Go ahead and show everybody else. Make sure it's the Queen of Diamonds. Cool?
Queen of Diamonds.
Alright, so what I need you to do...
Queen of Diamonds.
You got it? I'm going to take it, put it on top. And what I need you to do is actually... I need you to sign that for me. Is that cool? Yeah, go ahead. Sign it for me.
Savage.
You go ahead. You got it?
Okay.
Sweet. And I'm going to need that here soon too. Cool. So I'm going to take your card, and if you don't mind, nothing crazy, because I'm going to fold it again. And weirdly, you don't mind just biting down on that for me? Just bite down on that.
Biting down?
Yeah, bite down on it. Yeah, no, leave it. No, just bite
Hang
on
on.
it. Keep it,
Yeah.
keep it in your mouth. So I'm going to take the next card down, the Ace of Spades. Can you hold that for me? Alright, and just so we can spell the word ab, I'll kind of write a B there, right? Alright, perfect. And I'm going to take my card and I'm going to fold it again. Alright, it's about to clear. You don't mind? Good. You ready? Look at me. Now check it out. We just had a connection, man. Because I ended up with your card. And no, look at it. Look at it. And
Which card do you have?
And that Ace of Spades should read out the word ab because of my B, right?
Okay, that is pretty crazy. How did you do that? Alright, y'all, we're doing a little barbecue sauce taste test over there.
Primal Kitchen sauces here.
Little sauce
That's some
platter.
good stuff right there.
Which one is that one?
That's the golden barbecue.
Golden barbecue?
That's pretty good.
Is that one
good?
better?
What are we doing?
Not better than their other barbecue, I think.
Bryson, what'd I
What we
just
got?
give you, man?
Keto friendly rice.
I gave him a whole box
yeah.
full of Miracle Rice.
Okay, the whole grill is almost empty. Almost. Here we go. We got 2 beautiful ladies here.
Oh my goodness.
What's your name?
You say Jaslyn? No.
There we go, shy again.
Can you tell them how old you are?
And Corey.
You having fun?
What's your name?
Jaslyn.
How old are you?
4.
4.
4.
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
Monster.
A monster? Don't we all?
Alright, y'all, so we got 2 big boxes in the mail. One is a water purifier. I think that's what this is. So, in an attempt to get all of our estrogens out of the water, I bought this massive 6-gallon Berkeley water filter. And now I need a knife.
Man, goodness, this table is making enough noises.
Here we go, this will work. Alright, I'm not really sure how this thing works, but I'll figure that out and we'll go from there. Supposedly this filters out all the estrogens and all the impurities in our water, so we'll give it a shot.
Alright, wow, this is a big,
Oh my
big
goodness.
heavy pillow. Woo!
It's made out of buckwheat.
Feel that, doesn't that feel like beads in there?
Yeah, it's
I don't know. It doesn't look,
like
feel
a
like
bait
it's gonna
bag.
be comfortable.
It's not about a pillow, it's like
You want me to open it out of here?
What you got there, Crystal?
Can
I got it.
hold it?
Sure.
Okay.
Woo, it's heavy, huh?
What's inside of it?
Buckwheat.
Yeah.
Is it
I feel
comfortable or
like
no?
beads.
I guess.
How comfortable is it?
I don't know.
Sissy, is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Alright, y'all, sorry for all the commotion earlier. This, it was kind of crazy here to explain what was going on with these filters, but had a ton of fun with them. I'm going to talk more about that in a little bit, but I wanted to show you real quick what's going on with this filter situation here. So we have you can see my reflection, it's kind of crazy. So we have this upper reservoir, and then this lower reservoir, and then we have all of these filters in there. So I'm going to go take this out and clean both tanks, and then I'm going to prime the filters, and then these filters are basically going to hang in, there's little holes in there. Y'all probably can't see it, but there's little holes, and all the water I put in here filters through there and then goes into the clean reservoir. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so I just got done washing out that filter. It's running through a round or a tank of water now. You're supposed to let it run through one round before you start drinking it. But I got the Crown it's Berkey, not Berkeley, like I said earlier. But this is like the 6-gallon one, which I think is the biggest one they made. I'm not a fan of refilling things all the time, so I got the biggest one I could find. And that pillow, we'll talk about that for a minute. So this is a buckwheat hull pillow, and it's kind of crazy. You can actually open it up. Let me show you what the inside of this pillow looks like. So you open it up, and it's full of little buckwheat hulls. But supposedly that makes it cooling, like it doesn't get hot, and it's supportive. I don't know, I woke up with that really bad neck sprain, like really weird. I've had a lot of sprains in my life, but like a crick in my neck, but this thing was weird, and I just haven't been sleeping super optimal lately. So as y'all have seen on my Oura Ring stories on Instagram, and just kind of all the sleep hacking I'm working on, I'm just testing out a couple different things and seeing what the best technique for sleep is. So I put a question out on my 7 Set Sunday email newsletter asking people for pillow recommendations. This one was highly respected, so we're gonna try and sleep on it tonight, and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, y'all, so this is what it is. It's 2 parts. So this lower reservoir is clean drinking water. Top reservoir is unpurified drinking water. If you look in the top there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's 2 black filters, and then attached to those, I'm gonna pick this up and you can look, 2 filters hanging off from that. So basically we got our purified drinking water now, it's all clean, it's ready to go. So we'll see if we can start removing some estrogens and whatnot, all the other dirty chemicals from our water, so we can be extra healthy. All right, y'all. So I am wrapping up this vlog, wrapping up the day. It's been a long day. It's been a great day. Super awesome to have the whole crew over here. We haven't done like a big cookout in a while. Everybody's just been kind of going every which way. Excuse me. Usually we would do it right after a launch of Keto Bricks, but these past couple times, like, people have just been going every which way. So we decided to just pick a day that worked for everybody and do it. So that's what we did this go round. Everybody showed up. Everybody had a great time, and it was a very pleasant way to spend the evening. Tomorrow is Saturday, and we have a lot going on tomorrow as well. So I'm gonna go to bed and get a fresh start tomorrow. But just want to say again, huge thanks to the crew. You know, every single one of them are awesome. I'm super incredibly proud of all of them. They've all made such strides in everything they're doing in life, and it's just cool for us to be able to, like, work hard together, accomplish a goal, get the bricks out to you, and then, you know, come together and just enjoy a moment, you know, not working and just socializing and eating good food and being a family, because that's pretty much what we are. So thank you, crew, for coming, and thank you all for watching these videos, buying the bricks, supporting us, and just being awesome as well. So we're all one big family here. See you tomorrow.